The following film is a work of fiction. It is loosely based on historical events and is in no way meant to be historically accurate. Except for the talking turkeys. That part is totally real.
Holidays. The whole world loves them. That's why there's so many. Christmas, Easter, Hanukkah. One thing they all have in common, food. Like Thanksgiving. That's what it's all about. The time to sit down over the holiday meal. It's everyone's favorite part. Plus, of course, you are the meal. My name's Reggie, by the way. I'm turkey screaming for his life. I'm keeping the turkey sport in there. You get your fucking stuff today, idiots! Over here, they don't listen. I'm gonna start out. Really?